One was refurbished and the other one was a bit dodgy. This is called Kate's Cabin. It's a truck stop in Peterborough, right next to a live services on the A1. So I was on my list for a little while, but decided to come up and do a full day's exploring today. So we'll have a little wander around the invoices and stuff here. And why these are in here. There you go. And we'll have a little wander around. See what's left. I mean, it doesn't look too bad so far already. And there is a house next door as well, so it's not overly trashed either, surprisingly. It will be more wrecked than this. I was expecting this to be very smashed up, but it's actually not. There could have been possible squatters there. There's people just dumping their crap. Ouch. This is the kitchen. People have been dumping their rubbish in here by the look of it. And the red apron still here. Oh, there's the bar, this looks cool. Oh, wicked, here we go. Oh, there's still booze on the table. Nice. A bar. Some bottles on the shelf in here, look. A couple of glasses. A little way through there as well. Not overly smashed and wrecked, to be honest, which is surprising. A couple of glasses there. I'm very shocked that it's smashed to hell. That's our area there. We've got our photos and cinematics and stuff. They're done. 2K24. I've seen that graffiti before. Safety first. No, the spell, mate. There is an upstairs. There is an upstairs, isn't there? There's an upstairs in this part as well. Look at it. It's been sealed. It's a bit strange. Well, that's been sealed, because I think there's another stairway up there anyway. Anyway, let's carry on. Fuck. Back through this one. Back into this bit. How do we go upstairs? We're going to find a way to get upstairs. Should be able to fire escape. Can you get up there? Yep, you can get up there. Good. the rooms where they had their cannabis factory. And this is. And they got raided. Yeah. Just empty anyway. Yeah. A cannabis factory in here, isn't it? It turns off. There we go. That's old school. In place. Garden it as well by the look of it. That's this bit anyway. Majorly special. Get a couple of pictures. Stop it for a minute. That's it for this bit. Let's go and see if we can get into that house next door. If that's going to be used for cannabis, illegal cannabis factory around. This is recent. there. Jesus. Look at kids there as well. Sorry, speaking guys, I'll make sure there's no one in here. Look at this, someone squatted somewhere. There's a baby in there. Looks like it's still possible squatting in here, but what a shithole. I don't think it's left like this, powers left, but the COVID test there. Fuck. When was that sent, I wonder? Yeah, it's been set here a long time. Luckily. Still might be squatters in here though. But 2020 has been abandoned, I think, by looking at it. Let's get some photos. Still running water. Jesus Christ. I don't even know the posh arse wiper. And it's refilling. Fucking hell. You know, they were big padlocks. Oh yeah. They were growing cannabis. So they weren't all giddy two-shoes, were they? Anyway, I think that's about it for this location. We're going to get on to the next one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Sure. Make a sketch in there. Anyway, that was Kate's Cabin, Cafe and Truck Stop and private residence. Numerous rooms. So let's make our exit and we'll go on to the next one.